How to install our XXL fixed TV wall mount. Attach the two halves of the wall mount together using the provided nuts and bolts. Wood stud installation option. Use a stud finder to locate the center of the three wall studs. Hold the wall template against the wall at your desired height and position. Use a bubble level to make sure the template is perfectly level. Mark the stud centers through the template. Remove the template and drill 6 pilot holes using a 1/4 inch drill bit to a depth of 3.5 inches. Position the wall mount over the drilled holes. Recheck the level, then install the lag screws with washers. Tighten all screws securely. Concrete or brick installation. Hold the template to the wall in the desired mounting location. Use a bubble level to ensure that the template is level. Mark the center of the holes through the template in the locations shown. Remove the template from the wall and drill holes in the marked locations using a 1/2 inch drill bit to a depth of 3.7 inches. Do not drill mounting holes into mortar, such as between bricks or stones. Clear dust or debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors fully until flush with the wall. Hold the wall mount to the wall over the holes, check the level once again, and install the lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. Place the decorative cover into position over the center of the wall plate. If necessary, attach the VESA extenders to the ends of both VESA brackets using the washers and the nuts. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes and verify the length of the VESA bolt is not too long. If necessary, use the included spacers. Attach the VESA brackets to the TV as shown using the selected bolts. Hang the TV on the wall mount as shown so that the top of the VESA brackets hook onto the top of the wall mount, then lower the bottom end of the TV down into place, while pulling down on the release cord until it is in place. To remove the TV, pull the release cord down, then lift the TV up and away from the wall.